Description: Aloemoist Daily Shampoo contains certified organic ingredients specifically selected to enhance, protect, restore and repair the hair's natural moisture balance while providing vibrant shine. Benefits: naturally nourishing and cleansing to leave hair and scalp healthy. Suggested use: wet hair, apply desired amount, lather, rinse and follow with daily conditioner. Pure clean water infused with aloe. Naturally based, green chemistry, moisturize, enhance, protect, restore and repair the hair. We infuse the purest water with concentrated organic aloe vera powder. This powerful combination creates the #1 ingredient in Loma products. Aloemoist Complex is made of pure organic plant extracts, oils, vitamins and minerals and offers a simple and clean approach to healthy hair and a sustainable environment. Vegan-friendly. Never tested on animals and vegan-friendly, we utilize a small amount of beeswax in our fiber putty and forming paste, which we obtain in a way that does not harm the bees. All of our other products are totally vegan, using no animal byproducts. Top reviews from the United States. Smell and volume. Live the smell of this shampoo and how much volume one get from it. Best shampoo out there. And I've tried them all.